Hey yo, this is Maxo, and today I'm gonna reveal 5 secrets that 90% of all traders have no clue about. As we all know, TradingView and trading in general can be overwhelming, so I made this quick 6-step guide to help you improve your charting game. This is the first video of a YouTube series that will dive deep into trading secrets, which will help you to be one step ahead of everyone else. Number 1. The first and one of the most important settings is about your alarms. There's a feature that allows you to have open-ended alerts, which is very important if you want to have alerts for all your plays forever. Number 2. You can skip through timeframes by using your keyboard. Just type in the number and the desired timeframe and hit enter. Number 3. You can save your favorite timeframes and tools for quick access with the star icon. This will not only save you time, but will allow you to enhance your workflow. Number 4. You can also save your favorite fibs as preset, so you don't have to change them all the time. Number 5. You can change nearly everything and anything in your TradingView, from line styles to thickness and colors. Your main goal should not be to win an art contest, but to find colors which make you see the most and important stuff. For this reason, I chose some basic colors, and I go mostly for the small dotted lines because they help me to keep my chart tidy and neat. Number 6. You can pair chart all assets against each other. Choose the first ticker, open the search panel again, and divide it by the second ticker. And here we go. Alright guys, that's it from me today. I hope you learned something new. And if you have further questions, please leave them down below in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you find value in what I do. And always remember, master your mind, and success you will find.